From the heart of Dubai, where innovation meets opportunity, we proudly present Leading Beyond Borders Conclave 2025. Last year, we witnessed a groundbreaking event that created endless opportunities for collaboration and inspiration. From thought-provoking panels to transformative leadership workshops, the first Leading Beyond Border Conclave was a celebration of leadership, innovation, and collaboration. Join us for 2 days of extraordinary experiences, featuring 150 plus global leaders and 15 plus elite speakers. Experience insights from global leaders, seasoned investors, distinguished academics, and trailblazing entrepreneurs through inspiring sessions and panel discussions. Mark your calendar for 31st January and 1st Feb, as we are bringing together the brightest minds for 2 days for an exceptional learning and unparalleled network.